Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually curious to know about the dates of Black Friday sale on Amazon.in. Many people actually want to buy tablets during this period, so they are asking me. Globally, the Amazon's Black Friday sale is expected to begin on Friday, November 28, 2025. However, in India, Amazon has not advertised anything about Black Friday sale, so there is less possibility that you will get discounts on tablets. If you want to buy from Amazon.in, you must know the best price of each and every tablet so that you don't get fooled by the sellers. For example, Redmi Pad Pro is a good tablet. It comes with 12.1 inches display, Snapdragon chipset and good battery and speakers. Right now the price of this tablet is 21,000 rupees for the 6GB and 128GB. But if you want to buy the Wi-Fi variant, in that case the best price is 14,000 to 15,000. And if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 18,000 rupees. The next tablet in the list is Oneplus Pad Lite. If you want something light and affordable, this tablet offers decent performance and battery life. It's going under budget friendly tags, that is 15 to 18,000 rupees. But the best price for the 6GB variant is around 11 to maximum 12,000 rupees. And if you want to buy the 8GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 14,000 rupees. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, a good middle ground Android tablet, balanced features and reliability, and often available at an attractive price of 19,000 to 20,000 rupees. But the current price tag is much higher, so I would not recommend you to buy at this price tag of 34,000 rupees. If you get this tablet under 20,000 rupees, only then you can consider it. The next tablet or iPad in the list is iPad 11th generation. If you prefer iOS, Apple's iPad still remains a go-to for performance, app ecosystem and long-term support. Deal prices may vary, so if you want to buy this iPad, the best price is 28 to maximum 29,000 rupees during sale. If you want to buy a premium Android tablet, good for productivity, media and heavy usage, in that case you can consider OnePlus Pad 2. But you must know the best price of OnePlus Pad 2. The best price for this tablet is 29,000 rupees for the 128GB. And if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be 33 to 34,000 rupees. Sometimes OnePlus offers the Stylo 2.0 along with OnePlus Pad 2, so you must be aware about the best deals and offers. I will let you know about the best deals and offers if you stay connected with this channel. So in the conclusion, it may be said that there will be no good offer in Amazon Black Friday sale. So you have to wait for the Christmas sale that will come in the month of December. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you want to know the price of any other tablet or if you have any questions in your mind. I will answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. The only condition is that you have to like and hype the video and then ask your question. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.